Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car though include speed limit recognition, there's blind spot detection, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car really is packed full of great features. There's also the customizable digital head-up display. It features Peugeot Connect SOS assistance, so the car actually has the ability to call emergency services if you're in an accident. But if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.